Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to connect Amazfit Bip U Pro to Strava. So guys, in order for you to do that, first thing that you will do is make sure you have the Zep application into your device. So it will be available in the Google Play Store and just simply open it up. And from here guys, make sure to connect your watch by just simply going for the top left corner of the screen, which is the plus icon. And from here, just simply go for watch and make sure to connect your watch. And once you have done that, just simply go ahead and go to the profile on the bottom right corner of the screen. And after that, just simply go ahead and go to third party account linking. And after that, just simply go to Strava and just simply tap on Unbound over here. And after that, just simply log in using Google, Facebook, or Apple. So just simply log in into your Strava account. And as you can see, if your heart rate data is not available on Strava, it will give you a warning that you need to turn it on. And now just simply tap on authorize and there you go. Once the apps are connected successfully, sync activities will automatically be pushed to your Strava account. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe and thanks for watching.